Paul Ross presents 10B Foyle Road, Bayswater. You can't help but be impressed by this modern 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, sitting on a 315 square metre low-maintenance block. The floor plan includes an open-plan living, a kitchen with a double sink, gas cooktop, electric oven and marble bench tops, a theatre room or a potential 4th bedroom, a spacious master bedroom with an ensuite, an easy care outdoor patio and so much more. This home has everything you need in a great location that is peaceful and private. It defines low maintenance living to suit all lifestyles and would make a fantastic first home, an ideal downsizer or an awesome investment in sought after Bayswater. You are close to the Bayswater train station and village, the international and domestic airports, and there's lots of amenities nearby including public transport, Bayswater Waves, Morley Galleria and approximately 8 kilometres to the Perth CBD. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.